This video is going to demonstrate how to download and install the CWM client mobile application onto your iPhone. Go to the App Store. The easiest option is to search and type in CWM Chartered Accountants. And having downloaded the app, open it. The app is ready to use, but you will not be able to obtain any personal information until you have entered your client details. You still will not be able to view any personal details until you have contacted our office and we have verified who you are and then enabled the permission for you to be able to see your personal information. So the first thing you should do is click on My Details. Enter the information as shown on the screen. The email that you enter here must be the email that you are using to access the client document portal. That is the email associated with any businesses you have with us and which will enable you to see the information regarding those businesses on this mobile application. Tick to accept the terms and privacy policy and click Submit. And as you can see, you need to contact us to validate your account.